Welcome to Volatility 411 for Equity Armor Investments. I'm Joe Tigay here in the VIX bid. I'm here for the first time in June and I'm glad to be out of May. May was a disastrous month for the market. The sell and May go away trade was here and we actually started that again. The start of the week we had the market down again on Monday. The market wasn't looking so good, but maybe we were ready to rally, poised to rally, technically oversold, whatever you want. We also had some really big news out of the Fed. The Fed was ready to step in. The Powell put was put in place. We also saw some potential positive trade news. So the market had a huge rally on Tuesday. We were 70 points off of the 3 p.m. Monday low. So the market took a tremendous run. And now what I want to see today and the rest of the week, I know we had some weak jobs data this morning. I'd like to see the market consolidate here, tread water, maybe make a new high, and then I'll feel a lot more comfortable. If you go back into May, we had big rallies in May, but they weren't sustainable. We didn't hold up there and the market made new lows. So I'd like to see the market just stretch itself for a little bit, consolidate here, and then hopefully on Friday, maybe jobs report, maybe trade news, maybe whatever, just be able to take out a new high. Now, of course, we've had that volatility. The markets, for its part today, we're up about 6 or 7 points in the S&P 500. The VIX is also up, so the market's still concerned that a potential new low could be coming, so I'm watching out for that. But I'm also watching out, the big thing I'm watching for the rest of the year right now is inflation. Yesterday, we saw some, of course, we saw some Fed saying that we might lower rates. This is the United States joining into this lowering game, which is going on around the world in response to some of these trade wars. For example, in Mexico, we put a 5% tariff on. If they were able to lower their currency by 5%, the net result would be a zero. So the trade war wouldn't really have any change. Same thing happening in China. So we're watching that, and as the U.S. enters in here, we saw gold spiking up, a huge rally in gold, sign to me that people are starting to worry about inflation, and that's really like a longer-term risk trend I'm looking at for next year, but it's something I want to watch, and I'll be watching gold closely. So for Equity Armor Investments, I'm Joe Tigay.